Hi everybody, a very good morning to you all. Today in Maths session 19 we are going to discuss about the exercise 6.2, the two questions over there. Given two questions, these two questions only we are going to discuss today. The first one we have given that find the square of the following numbers. The first one they are given that find the square. Find the square of. Okay, find the square of. They have given the some numbers. They have given the some numbers. The first one we can take that 32. First one they have given the 32. Here they have given the number 32. Here we can find out the square value. We all already know that what is the square value. What we will do? We will write 2 times. 32 multiplied by 32. That is square value, right? 32 multiplied by the 32. What we will get? 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 4. 6 is 12. 1024. We got very easy. We got very easy. This is the square value we have to find out. If still now we have learned like this. When anybody asks find out the square value of number, we can easily multiply 2 times and we can give the values. Right? Keep in the mind the 1024 in your mind. Okay? Now. But I am going to do another one method that is also easy method. That is also one kind of easy method. But hereafter you have to do like that only. Hereafter you have to do like that only. This 32 we can split into 30 plus 2. 32 whole square we have to find out 30 plus 2 the whole square. 30 plus 2 the whole square. Okay. Now I am introducing you one small identity. That is one kind of formula that I am introducing you. That is formula is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. In this we can take this as a. A is equal to 30. B is equal to 2. Just substitute in this. Just substitute in this. A plus b. 30 plus 2 the whole square which is equal to. What is the a square? 30 square. Plus 2 into 30 into b value is 2. Plus b square, 2 square. B square is equal to 2 square. Okay. Now we can find out the 30 square. What will come? 900. Yes or no? 30 square. Because leave the 0. 3 3s are 9. Then 2 zeros added. Plus this one we can add 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so 120 plus 2 square 4. Finally what will come if you add these things are 1024. Whether you got the same answer, yes or no? Instead of doing that, we can do like this. With this identity we have to do it. With this identity we have to do it. Okay. Same like that second question. Same like that. Second question. What is the second question given over there? 35 square. 35 square we can split into 30 plus 5 the whole square. Okay, 30. B is equal to 5. P is equal to 5. So just write it. What is the value of 30 plus 5 the whole square which is equal to 30 square plus 2 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 5 plus 5 square. Plus 5 square. Okay. Now what we can do? 30 square is equal to, already we know that 900 plus 5 2s are 10. 10 into 30 300 plus 5 squares are 55. If you add this value, what will come? 1200 plus 25, 1225. 1225. If you have a doubt, you can multiply. And normally, if you multiply also, you get the same answer. But here you have to find out the value of square like this only compulsory. Like this only compulsory. In your book examples they have given, but they have used one more method. But I am using for you very easiest method with using this formula. Okay. Now third question. Third one. What is the third question? 86. Third one is 86. 80 plus 6 the whole square. Okay, according to this A is equal to 80, B is equal to 6. A is equal to 80, B is equal to 6. So what we can do? We can just substitute the values. 80 plus 6 the whole square, which is equal to 80 square plus 2 multiplied by 80 multiplied by 6 plus 6 square. Plus 6 square. Now you can substitute the values. 80 square, what is the value? 8 8s are 64, then add 2 zeros. Then 6 2s are 12, 12 8s are 96. So now add only 0 plus 36. What will be coming at the last answer? 7,396. Very easy. Only we can add it. Okay. Now the fourth one also same like that only. Fourth and fifth I will do it. Sixth one I will give you as a homework. Fourth and fifth I will do it. Okay. Fourth and fifth. What is the fourth one? Option 93. Fourth one option 93. Squared is equal to 90 plus 3 the whole square. So is equal to 90. B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3. According to this we have to do it. Okay. Now you can write in the term 90 plus 3 the whole square, which is equal to 90 square. Okay. 90 square plus 2 into 90 into 3 plus 3 square. Okay. Now you can just substitute the values. 9 9s are 81. Then add 2 0. Then 3 2s are 6. 9 54. 540 plus 9. What will be the answer compulsory? Last term is 9. Second term is 4. 6 8. 8,649. 8,649. Okay. Then now going for the fifth one. What is the fifth one given there? 71 square. Fifth one is 71 square, which is equal to 70 plus 1 the whole square. Then we are using the formula of a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now just substitute the value. So a is equal to 70, b is equal to 1. A is equal to 70, b is equal to 1. According to that we can follow 70 plus 1 the whole square, which is equal to 70 the whole square plus 2 multiplied by 70 multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. You can get the value of 70 square. 140 plus 1. 140 plus 1. Okay. Then now you can get the values of 1, then 4, and 5,041. 5,041. Okay, students. Now you can do still fifth and sixth one. That is the number is 46. That you can read as a homework. Okay, sixth one that is a 46. That is you can read as a homework. Okay. Now let's go for the second question. Now we are going to see the second question. Second question. What is the given? Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is the given value. Whose one member is given value. First one we must know that what is a Pythagorean triplet. First one, what is a Pythagorean triplet? General form of Pythagorean triplet. General form. Pythagorean triplet. General form of Pythagorean triplet is, we have to take three terms. That is, one is 2m, m squared minus 1, m squared plus 1. This is the general form of Pythagorean triplet. General form of Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Now they have given the first question over there. In second one, first question over there, they are given 6. They given properly listen the question. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 6. In this one member should be 6. So we can take the first one. Here what is given? Member is 2m. Whether we have to find out the value of m now. So first we take 2m is equal to 6. 2m is equal to 6. We have taken the first value, 2m is equal to 6. Then m is equal to 6 divided by 2. Yes or no? M is equal to 6 divided by 2. So we can get the value 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. We can take m value is equal to 3. M value is equal to 3. Okay. Now first one we have taken and we have done find the value of m is equal to 3. Now next, so 2m is equal to 6 is the correct value. 2m is equal to 6 is the correct value. Now we have to go for the second term, that is m squared minus 1. M squared minus 1. Already we found the value of m is equal to 3. M is equal to 3. So just substitute the value of m. So 3 squared minus 1. 3 squared minus 1. Okay. Now 3 squared minus 1 means 9 minus 1, which is equal to 8. 9 minus 1, which is equal to 8. So first term we have taken 2m is equal to 6. Second term m squared minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay. Next let us take the third term, m squared plus 1. Here also we have to substitute the values. Here also we have to substitute the values. That is m value is 3. 3 squared plus 1. That is 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. Understood? 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10. So the numbers are final answers. You can write it. Okay. So the numbers are. So the numbers are 6. First value 2m is equal to 6. Then m squared minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay. Then last one is m squared plus 1 is 10. M squared plus 1 is 10. Okay. Understood? These three one. So the numbers are 6. 2m is equal to 6. M squared minus 1 is equal to 8. M squared plus 1 is equal to 10. We have written the values 6, 8 and 10. Understood? Same like this we have to do the second one also. Same like this we have to do the second one also. That is same only we have to take second one. That is question is 14. Question is 14. Question is 14. Okay. Question is 14. Question is 14. Now we take first value 2m is equal to 14. Then m is equal to 14 divided by 2. M is equal to 7. We took the value of 7. M is equal to 7. Okay. Now we can take the next one. M squared minus 1. M squared minus 1. You just substitute the values. You just substitute the values. 7 squared minus 1. 7 squared 49 minus 1, which is equal to 48. Which is equal to 48. Okay. Next one. M squared plus 1, which is implies to m squared 7 squared plus 1, that is 49 plus 1, which is equal to 50. Which is equal to 50. Okay. Then what we can write next step? So the given values are. So the numbers are. Numbers are 14, 48, 50. 14, 48, 50. Understood? I hope you all have understood. Right? Now let's go for the third one. Next go for the third one. That is 16. That is 16. Now that one we can take it as a 16. Third one. 16. 16. So we take 2m is equal to 16, then m is equal to 16 divided by 2, which is equal to 8. M is equal to 8. Then m square, 8 square minus 1. 64 minus 1 is equal to 63. Right? Then here also 8 square plus 1. 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. Okay? Then the three numbers are, we can easily say that 8, 63, 64. Sorry, not 8, that is 16. 16, 63, 65. Understood, students? Like this only you have to do it. Like this only you have to do it. Just 16 we have taken first in this Pythagorean triplet method. That is the first one 2m. So we have taken 2m is equal to 16. M is equal to 16 divided by 2. So from that we have taken m is equal to 8. So m value is 8. Then we have to substitute m squared minus 1, 8 squared minus 1. 8 squared minus 1, that is 64 minus 1, 63. Here also m squared plus 1, 8 squared plus 1, 64 plus 1, 65. So the numbers are, okay, 16, 63, 65. 16, 63, 65. Right? Hope you all have understood. The last one, fourth one, you do it as a homework. Okay? Fourth one, you do it as a homework. And that's all. The exercise is over. We will meet in the next session. Take care. Bye.